Welcome to Tax Smarts Unlocked, the podcast for individuals and small business owners looking to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services, each episode is packed with insightful advice on proactive tax planning to help you navigate the complexities of tax laws. Here's your host, David Robson.
Welcome to another episode of Tax Smarts Unlocked. I'm David Robson, your guide through the maze of tax planning and financial strategy. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of financial wellness, estate planning. Now, before you think estate planning is just for the ultra-wealthy, let's bust that myth. It's essential for everyone, whether you're an individual or a business owner. It ensures your hard-earned wealth is preserved and your loved ones are protected after you're gone. Estate planning is not just about having a will. It's a comprehensive approach to managing your assets, providing guidance on how they should be distributed, and importantly, how they can be shielded from excessive taxes. Let's break down the key components of an effective estate plan. It typically involves several elements: wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and healthcare directives. A will dictates how you want your assets to be distributed, while trusts can provide greater control over those distributions and potentially offer tax advantages. Powers of attorney assign someone the authority to make decisions on your behalf if you're incapacitated. Lastly, healthcare directives ensure your medical care preferences are known and respected. Together, these tools form the backbone of a solid estate plan. Now let's talk about strategies to protect your wealth from excessive taxation. Taxation is a significant concern in estate planning, as estate taxes can considerably reduce the wealth you intend to pass on. One effective strategy is gifting. By gradually giving away portions of your estate, you can reduce the value subject to estate taxes. Another strategy involves setting up certain types of trusts, which can help manage and reduce tax liabilities. Charitable giving is also a beneficial method, allowing you to support causes you care about while gaining tax advantages. These strategies lead us to an important tool in estate planning: wills and trusts. Wills specify your wishes regarding asset distribution but go through probate, which can be lengthy and public. On the other hand, trusts can help bypass probate, allowing for quicker and more private asset distribution, and can also provide specific tax benefits. Irrevocable trusts, for example, remove assets from your taxable estate, potentially lowering the estate taxes. Understanding these tools is crucial in building a robust estate plan. Nothing solidifies the importance of estate planning like real-world examples. Consider John, a small business owner who, without any planning, left his family battling estate taxes that decimated the business's value. Compare that to Lisa, who prepared an estate plan involving trusts and gifts, preserving the business and its legacy for her children. These case studies highlight just how effective proactive planning can be in protecting your assets and minimizing taxes. In estate planning, it's also essential to be aware of common mistakes. Many people procrastinate or overlook the importance of updating their estate plans regularly. Life changes, such as marriage, divorce, birth, or death, can have significant impacts on your estate plan. Not accounting for potential tax changes can also be a costly mistake. That's why regular reviews with a professional are crucial to ensuring your plan stays current and effective. Proactive tax planning is another linchpin of reducing estate tax liabilities. It's not just about documenting your wishes, but also anticipating and mitigating future tax implications. Techniques like the generation-skipping transfer tax exemption or the use of family-limited partnerships can be beneficial. These strategies require expertise, highlighting the importance of consulting with a professional who can tailor these techniques to fit your unique situation. Another significant component of estate planning is life insurance. It's often overlooked, but it can play a pivotal role in ensuring liquidity to pay off debts, cover estate taxes, or provide funds for your heirs. Certain life insurance policies can be kept out of your taxable estate, thereby reducing the estate tax burden while providing for your loved ones. Involving family members in estate planning is not only wise, but can also help in avoiding disputes later on. Transparency with your loved ones about your plans and their roles can save a lot of potential heartache and confusion. Family discussions can also provide clarity on the distribution of sentimental items that might not have significant monetary value, but hold emotional weight. To wrap up, I'd like to emphasize that estate planning is an ongoing process. It doesn't stop at drafting a will or setting up a trust. It requires regular review and updating, especially in response to life changes and evolving tax laws. By taking action now and seeking professional guidance, you can ensure that you leave a legacy rather than liabilities. Thank you for joining me in this episode of Tax Smarts Unlocked. We've explored estate planning essentials and how they play a critical role in protecting your wealth and reducing tax liabilities. From strategies involving gifting and trusts to the importance of life insurance and family involvement, we've covered substantial ground. Remember, the value of estate planning is in its ability to safeguard your legacy and provide peace of mind to you and your loved ones. We're here to make these complex topics accessible and part of an empowering financial strategy for you. Until next time, take control of your financial future with confidence.
Thank you for joining us on Tax Smarts Unlocked, the ultimate podcast for individuals and small business owners ready to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services, each episode has been carefully crafted to provide you with insightful advice on proactive tax planning. By adopting a smarter tax approach, you can focus on what you do best, growing your wealth and your business. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't miss an episode. Subscribe to Tax Smarts Unlocked on your favorite podcast platform and unlock the secrets to confident tax planning. Remember, it's time to take control of your taxes and unleash your full financial potential.